Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your Kasturi Krishnan. Today is Valentine's Day and happy Valentine's Day to all of you who are celebrating Valentine's Day today. Today is a weekday in UK and my husband went to work. I am here at home trying to recreate our first Valentine's Day date. I'm going to make a very simple 3-course meal dinner at home. Don't worry when I say 3-course meal. I know it sounds very complicated, but I'm gonna show you a very simple 3-course meal recipe today. You can get all the ingredients that I'm gonna use today very easily from any supermarket, and you can easily make all these recipes at home. Since I said I'm gonna make 3-course meal at home, I'm gonna make 3 items. The first one will be the appetizer, which is a prawn cocktail. And the second item will be a heart-shaped pizza with heart-shaped pepperoni. And the third item will be a dessert, which is a pastry puff filled with Nutella and lotus biscuit spread. Also some strawberries dipped in chocolate. Let's go and start our Valentine's Day 3-course meal. First of all, let's do our appetizer, which is a prawn cocktail. Heat up your pan. I'm gonna add some olive oil first. I already cleaned and deveined the prawns earlier in the morning. Here's our king prawn. Oops. Just add the king prawn on our pan. Oops. And the second thing is to add all-purpose seasoning. In the classic prawn cocktail, usually they just boil the prawns, but here I'm adding some seasoning because I love some seasoning. If you want to do a classic prawn cocktail, just boil it, add some salt, and then eat it with your dipping. That's it. Here we go. Our prawn is ready. Now I'm gonna make the dipping sauce for our prawn. Yeah, looking good, smelling good. The prawns are already cooked, and I'm gonna attach 2 prawns together to make it look like heart shape. Something like this. See, this one already attached together. Just use a toothpick and attach 2 prawns together to make it into a heart shape. There we go. A heart shape prawn. I already made the prawn earlier. I'm gonna make the dipping sauce now. I just need to mix mayonnaise, chili sauce and paprika together, and that's it for the dipping sauce. First of all, let's put some mayo. We have our mayo inside, and now I'm gonna add some chili sauce. I already add some mayo, chili sauce, and now I'm gonna add some paprika. That's it. And mix together, and our sauce will be ready. It should look like a Thousand Island sauce color. And now I'm going to arrange them inside this. I'm going to add the sauce inside this first. So our sauce is here. Now I'm going to arrange all the prawn around the glass. I already make them into heart shape like this. And now time to put them inside the glass nicely. Put like this. See how cute. The main dish for today will be a heart-shaped pizza with heart-shaped pepperoni. To make this pizza, first of all, of course, you need the pizza base. I've bought a ready-made pizza dough here. You can buy any brand that you like. And of course, cheese. I love mozzarella cheese. So I have some mozzarella cheese here. And the tomato sauce, I am using a pesto sauce here. Don't ask me why I'm using a pesto sauce. I love pesto sauce on pizza. You can use any regular tomato sauce. For the pizza topping, you can use anything that you like. Here I have mushrooms. I have olives. I also do have some chorizos and pepperoni here. First of all, let's prepare the pepperoni. I'm going to cut the pepperoni into heart shape. I have some heart shape cutter here. If you don't have heart shape cutter, it's okay. Just use knife and just cut it into heart shape. Let's start with chorizo first. My husband loves chorizos, so I bought some chorizos for pizza. This is very simple actually. Just get your chorizos or pepperoni and take the cutter that suits the pepperoni size. I think I can use this or this. So the chorizo here is actually quite big, so I'm going to use this cutter to cut it into heart shape. Just use your cutter press and twist it. If you struggle like me, just use your knife. Just get your knife and cut the edges. This is the first chorizo that I have already cut. I already tear it a little here, but that's okay. You all can adjust this later on the pizza. And make sure you cut all the rest of the pepperoni and chorizo into heart shape. I think the easiest way is to stack up some chorizos together and cut them all together. In this way, you can save some time as well. Let's do this. Again, I am using the same cutter to cut my chorizos. I think I found the easiest way. Just put all of them on top of the cutter and press the sides. In this way, it's a bit easier to cut them. I already cut few chorizos together. Look at this. Yeah, more heart shapes. Yeah, this way it's easier and it's faster as well. My chorizos are ready. I'm going to cut some pepperoni now. Don't waste all the sides. You all can use this on the pizza or for your sandwich later. Don't waste this. Keep this aside. Now I'm going to cut some pepperoni as well. The pepperoni I have here is very small in size and it's going to be cute when I cut into heart shape. Again, I'm going to stack them up first. Maybe 5 at a time will be good. I've already stacked 5 pepperoni here and I'm going to cut them using the cutter again. Ooh, pepperoni is so easy to cut compared to chorizo. Just have to press one time down and it's all already cut. I think you all should get pepperoni instead of chorizo. My husband loves chorizo. That's why I bought some chorizos. But look at pepperoni. It's so easy to cut. It's really easy to cut. I have like 5 pepperoni inside this hard cutter now. Ah, that is very cute. See, I already cut my pepperoni into heart shapes. I definitely love the smaller heart pepperonis compared to the chorizos. Chorizos are not very clean when I cut them. Maybe because they're thin, I don't know, but pepperoni is very nice. See the shape, it looks nicer here. I'm gonna cut 5 more pepperoni into heart shape now. Just put your heart shape nicely in the middle and press it down. Just to be sure, turn it the other way around and press the edges. And that's it. See, I can easily remove the edges now. Here we are, our heart-shaped pepperonis. Ta-da! Our chorizos and pepperoni are ready. I want to cut one last bigger size pepperoni. Just put them down, use your cutter, press it down. My husband is here. Hi baby! Now only cooking lah. Halfway doing the video and my husband came home with this. My favorite Lindor chocolate and some tulips. How sweet! Okay, let's get back to our cooking. Our chorizos and pepperoni are ready. Now I'm gonna make the pizza. I already prepared a tray with some baking sheet so that the pizza won't stick to the pan. As I said earlier, I bought a ready-made pizza dough. Just take your ready-made pizza dough out. I already defrost my pizza dough. I already keep my tray aside since it's already on the parchment paper. Let's open this first. It's quite sticky actually. Just unroll your pizza dough slowly, carefully. Take your time doing this. Okay, so here is my pizza dough. I'm going to use a pizza cutter and cut this pizza dough into heart shape. Choose the middle and just get creative. There's no right or wrong doing this. Just do whatever that you like. Maximize the space. I already cut the heart shape and now time to remove the excess. I have this much balance. Here's my heart shape pizza dough. I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna roll it and use it as the edge. Again, this part is entirely up to you. You can also put cheese in the middle of this and cover it with this pizza dough and bake it, and you can have like an amazing mozzarella cheese stick. I don't have a cheese cube at home, so I'm gonna make this into an edge. As you all can see here, I already roll it. I'm gonna use this as an edge. You can just put it around. There we go. My heart-shaped pizza dough is ready. I'm going to add the tomato sauce now. In my case, it's a pesto sauce. Let's add the tomato sauce now. Add your favorite tomato sauce, add as much as you like and spread it nicely. Okay, I'm done with this. Now it's time to add some mushrooms. I'm gonna add the mushroom first before the cheese because I don't want the mushroom to be very visible. I want the heart-shaped pepperonis to be visible but not the mushroom. So I'm adding the mushroom first. I have added some fresh mushrooms here. The next step will be to add our cheese. For me, I love cheese, especially when it comes to mozzarella. I love mozzarella cheese. So I'm gonna add a handful of mozzarella cheese on the pizza now. I'm going to be very generous, so don't hate me. I'm going to cover all the mushrooms. I love a real cheesy pizza. Cover the whole pizza with cheese. If you don't like cheese much, then you can reduce the amount. But in my case, as I told you guys, don't judge me. I'm gonna add generous amount. Okay, I've added the cheese. I'm going to add the pepperoni now. I'll go with the big heart in the middle. Medium size heart at the side. Here's the kuti heart. Kuti means small. I'm gonna add some small size hearts. Try to put your pepperoni as close as possible because pepperoni, once it's cooked, it will shrink in size. So I'm gonna put near to each other. Last but not least, I'm gonna add some olives. So if you find any gaps, put your olives there. I'm gonna arrange my olives at all the gaps here. Okay, that's it. Our pizza is ready. I'm gonna bake it now. I'm gonna move this into our tray. Just cut into smaller size and move this into the tray. That's it. I forgot another most important thing for me. I didn't add the chili flakes yet, so just add chili flakes if you like it spicier. We of course love spicy food, so I'm adding some chili flakes on top. This one in my hand is a bird eye chili flakes. It's going to be very spicy, so I cannot put a lot now. This should be enough. And tada! There we go. This is our heart-shaped pizza with heart-shaped pepperoni. I hope my husband will be impressed. And that's it for the pizza. We will bake this now. Let's move to our dessert. This is going to be another easy recipe to do. First of all, you need a ready-made puff pastry roll, and you can use Nutella or any other spread. My husband loves Lotus Biscoff spread, so I have Lotus Biscoff spread here. I also do have Nutella for me. Here's my puff pastry. Just unroll your puff pastry. Defrost it first. I already defrosted earlier, so I'm just gonna unroll it. I'm going to use a medium-sized heart-shaped cutter to cut this puff pastry. Basically, you need two for per pastry. One for the base and one to cover it. So I'm gonna cut at least 4. Try to maximize the puff pastry as well. Don't waste so much. Since we have a lot of food to eat, we have the appetizer, we have the main, I'm only going to make 2 puff pastry. For the first puff pastry, I'm going to use Nutella as a filling. Just take Nutella on the back of your spoon like this and put it in the middle of the heart. I love Nutella, so I'm gonna put more. Oh my god, the Nutella smell is calling me already. As you all can see here, I already put the Nutella in the middle of one of the heart, and I'm gonna top it with another heart. Once you top it, press the sides nicely. just use a fork and press the sides. Just like that. So in this way you are locking the sides. Later when the puff pastry expands, your Nutella won't ooze out. This puff pastry here now contains Nutella as a filling. I'm going to fill up the another one with lotus biscoff spread. Just use whatever spread that you like and put it in the middle of your heart, and then top it with another heart. Just cover it with another heart, and then use your fork to press down the edges. Tada! That's it. It's easy as that. Just have to cut your pastry puff into heart shape and fill it up with whatever spread that you like, and then press the sides with fork, and that's it. It's ready. Now I'm gonna transfer this into my tray and bake it as well. To make it look nice, you can also brush off egg on top of this. Now I'm going to bake this as well. My pizza and my pastry puff needs the same temperature, which is 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go. The pizza is out of oven. Look at this. How cute it is. With all the heart-shaped pepperoni and heart-shaped chorizos. It's finally ready. The appetizer is ready. The main course is ready. And the puff pastry is still inside the oven. As you all can see here, the puff pastry is ready. I have 2 puff pastries here. Now I'm gonna decorate it since it looks very plain here. Just gonna put some marshmallows around. I'm going to decorate it with some melted chocolate here. Melted dark chocolate. Just melt the dark chocolate in microwave or on your stove and then decorate it. Okay, just sprinkle some hot chocolate and then decorate with sprinkles. I already topped them with dark chocolate. Now I'm gonna put some sprinkles. I have some heart-shaped sprinkles here. For the lotus biscoff, I already crushed the lotus biscuit as well, so I can put this on top. Add as much as sprinkles that you like. This part here is entirely up to you. I also gonna put some chocolate coated strawberries. I have some fresh strawberries here. I already washed them and put them in some hand towel earlier. So just take them, and here's the melted chocolate. Put inside and give it a twirl, just like that. And then take it out and serve on the plate. This is super easy to make as well. You can also decorate this with some sprinkles. Here we have the sprinkles again. Just put the sprinkles as much as you like. There we go, our final dessert. Some puff pastry here and chocolate coated strawberries. As you all guys saw earlier, this is our prawn cocktails, our heart-shaped pizza, and our dessert. This is our 3-course meal for Valentine's Day. It's super simple to make. Even you guys can try this at home. I did a very cute table setup. I had some candles in the middle to set up the mood. I also wrote down a handwritten menu. I gave him a card. The card is very funny. It basically says, "You are my favorite duet snatcher." He popped the Prosecco and the cork literally flew to the ceiling, and we started laughing about it. Most importantly, we had delicious food with a lot of amazing songs in the background, and we had so much fun that night. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Until I see you guys again, thank you and bye. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Happy Valentine's Day.